Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing this error from ChatGPT like me, so there is nothing to worry about it. This is a kind of server issue from ChatGPT. It might like its server is down right now or something, any type of critical issue with their server. So when the server will reopened again or the issue will resolve, the ChatGPT will automatically open up on your device and you can use it as usual you can do. So from here you can see there is a link here. If I copy it here and paste it here, so you can see they are connected with Cloudflare. So there is, you can see the Cloudflare is showing error. That means there is something wrong with the site here. So you can see Cloudflare is saying that something went wrong trying to reach it. So that's mean it is probably the server is down of ChatGPT. So you just need to wait or nothing we can else do to solve this until the ChatGPT itself solve their server issues. So thanks for watching. Till the next time.